Hi everyone, and welcome to the next video in our Training for Summer online courses. In this video, we're going to learn how you can back up and restore your Moodle course. So backing up your Moodle course is a really great option because what it allows you to do is to take all of that hard work that you put into your Moodle course and you can back it up and use it again at another point in the semester or another time. Even if a whole year goes by, as long as you save your backup file, you're able to restore that file to Moodle, and all you need to do is then change the dates and anything that is related to that. So to back up our course, we're going to navigate to the upper right hand corner here, click on the gear, and press backup. There are two different kinds of backups that you can do. One in which is a full backup, and that will back up everything that you have done in the course and everything your students have done as well. The other kind of backup is a partial backup, and that will only include what you as the teacher have contributed to the course, and it will get rid of anything that the student has put into the course. I always suggest doing both of them just in case you need them, and then saving them to an external device. So the first one we're going to do is a full backup, and that is really the easiest because once you go into the backup screen, all you need to do is press jump to final step, and that will take you all the way to the final step, and your backup file has already been created. And it takes you to this area, which I will show you how you can get back to this area. So now I want to do a partial backup. So I'm going to go back to my main page here, click on the gear again and press backup. And for this, I want to uncheck include enrolled users. So that removes anything that the student has contributed to the course. Then I want to scroll down and click jump to final step. And what that'll do is now create that backup file for me too. Now, if you went to the next step instead of jumping to the final step, it's going to show you all of the things within that course that you're backing up, and you can pick and choose what you want and what you don't want. But since we wanted everything, we were just able to jump to the final step. So now we're in our course backup area, and if you're wondering if by any chance you get out of this area to get back into it, you would click on the gear again and press restore, and that'll take you back to your course backup area. I always suggest at the end of every semester you back up all of your courses and you save those files to an external device. Don't save them on Moodle. Put them on a USB key. You could put them on your P drive. You could put them on Google Drive. There's a variety of places you can save it. But you always want to make sure you have that backup file just in case something happens. So here we have our backup file. You could see our course name and you can see the date and the time, and that's how we know which one is which. And you can also see the date and the time here as well. So we want to download both of these, and to put them on an external device you would just click download, and then you would also click download here as well. And my computer is set up so that way all of my downloads go directly to my downloads folder. So if I click here at the top, I can see that I have my two Moodle courses that I have downloaded. So now how do I restore this to my course? To do that, I have another course here, an older course that has information onto it, but I'm going to show you how you can write over that. And I'm going to click on it and press restore. So again, I'm going to go to my gear in the upper right hand corner, click on restore, and I want to choose the file that I want to back up. Now, since we didn't do any course changeover, our backups are still included into here, but I want to show you how you can then search for the file that you want that we've downloaded. So I'm going to click choose a file, press browse, and I want to go into my downloads folder and find the file that I need to restore to my course. They're right here at the top, and I want to select the one that's smaller because that's a partial backup. This 1.2 megabyte is the one that is the full backup. So I'm going to click on this one, press open, and then here's my attachment. I'm going to press upload this file, press restore, and now it's going to show you everything that you're including. It's going to show you examples of everything that was in our course. So we're going to press continue, and this is the important part. Now, since my course had other information onto it, I don't want to merge the backup course. I want to delete the contents and then restore it. So I'm going to change that, press continue, and then we're just going to go through the motions here and press next and make sure everything that we want included in this restore is there. So I'm going to include everything, but my user data is not included, and I want to scroll down, press next. Same thing, we're in step 5 now. Scroll down, press perform restore, and then it's going to take a few minutes just to restore that item, and now it's done for us already, and press continue, and here's our class. So now we were able to take our backup file, and all of our information that we worked so hard to create is now on this Moodle page. Backup and restore is a vital part of any Moodle course because not only does it allow you to have a backup of everything just in case you need it, it'll save you the time going forward so you don't have to recreate everything you've worked so hard to create on your Moodle page.